This is Jeremiah Sofield at Sofield Leather. Today we're going to build gentleman suspenders with my dad.
All right, let's get started. All right, before we start, you have to have some coffee. Don't tell your mother.
Okay, well,
You ready? All right, so we're gonna get the tan. We're making a pair of tan suspenders. So go ahead and grab the tan big one there. I'm gonna see, I think we have some tan here that we could use. This might be, hold on, Jay. Oh no, we have it right here. This one's good.
okay, so not this one?
Not that one. Take that, Jay, to the big table.
Take up the, okay.
Listen, I'm gonna let you cut this with a strap cutter.
Oh crap. Okay.
You're gonna be fine.
Okay, no,
You know where it's at, the strap cutter.
I know.
Set it to 3/4 of an inch.
Okay.
You know how to do that?
Yes, I do. Yes.
Is it there already? Hang it off the edge a little bit.
And I know what your trick is. You don't look at the razor blade, you look at this to make sure it's flat.
Yes, get that really flat. Hold this piece here like this, so you have tension. Careful, start it. Now remember, now you want to hold this little piece up here. This is a piece that you have to hold. Make sure you look at this and hold it against that fence, all right? Nice and easy. All right, stop, move your hand, grab it. You see how that holding that will keep it? Stop. Now slide your hand in. This, you put your elbow on this, strong, so this doesn't move, and then you pull this that way. You feel it? Mm-hmm. Not too hard, but you feel the difference?
Yeah.
You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Now be careful, you don't want this bottom piece to hit the table. Stop what you're doing, look at the bottom of the table. It's not gonna hurt, just let go, look. See how close that is to the table?
Yeah.
This is why you hang it off the edge, son. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Grab this, elbow on the leather. Pull it away from you. Very good, stop, adjust. There you go. If you do this right, I'm gonna let you start doing this all the time, okay, son? Stop.
Oh, here's a
Now, this is a tricky part. Now you wanna use this side. Keep it tight up there. Once this passes down here, you're not gonna have anything to hold against the fence, you understand?
Yeah.
That's when you rock it towards the top of this one, you get it?
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Like right around here, you wanna rock it towards it that way. You feel it?
Mm-hmm.
You see the difference?
Oh, I did it.
Yeah, do 2 more, bro, that's it.
Wait, wait, 2 more.
2 more straps.
Oh, wait.
Down here, remember?
I know. We need down.
Just look at this fence.
Oh, I know.
All right, bro, very good job. Now what we're gonna do is, let's find the strongest pieces. You notice that down here is a little spongy?
Yeah.
That was the neck area.
Mm-hmm.
We want the stronger side. So we're gonna put the stronger side towards the left. So we'll put this over here, and we gotta start our cuts, our marking. Go ahead and grab that book, and let's flip to Gentleman Suspenders. This is it. I know it looks like crazy hot mess, but this is it. I gotta still do it. Breakfast of Champions. You ready, bro? You're on the clock.
Yeah.
No breaks. Get out of here. I'm not paying you for that, sir. You're not gonna be able to read this. This is straight, like encryption code that nobody can understand. But I will tell you that this is 3/4 inches wide. You need to find the middle of this strap. How would you do that with this wing divider? What are you gonna set this at?
3/16.
No, you're guessing.
No?
Let's not guess, let's do math.
But.
Okay, so this is 3/4.
Formula.
So double up 3/4 is what? 6
And a
6/8. 3/4 is the same as 6/8, correct?
Yeah.
So what's half of 6/8?
Half of 6/8. Oh. 3/8.
Yeah, 100%, 3/8. So you gotta find 3/8 on this and set this up to 3/8 right here. If you don't know where 3/8 is at on this, I'll show
I
you.
know 3/8 is here.
Yeah, very good.
Sorry, I meant to.
Yeah, no, I got you. That's very good. That's half.
Yeah.
Right there. That's good. You see how it works? You gotta make it easy. 3/4 is the same as 6/8. What's half of 6/8? You got it.
3/8.
100%. Now tighten it. Yes. Okay. So let's go. Mark, where you gonna do the cut? Right there. No. At the end.
Oh, what do you mean at the here?
Yeah, it's a 0.
Here?
Yep. And then top down. Do a bigger mark. Now go 1/2 inch from there. You don't have to be perfect. Now go 1/2 inch from there.
Oh.
That's why you don't move it, you see? Now I need you to do me a favor. On that paper, it says on the bottom here, see?
Yeah.
The middle, and then how many up and how many down?
Up
See?
5, down.
And then to the end of the 5, how many inches? 2, 3,
2 inches.
4. You understand how I do that?
Make sure.
Yeah, hold it down hard. Hold it down hard. You got it.
I don't think it's even.
Yes, it is. It's good. Right there. Hit it hard. Hard. Okay. Very good. Now do this end over here.
Oh.
That's the only reason why to do it hard the first time. You don't want to go soft and have the chance of it moving. You understand?
Oh, okay.
Here, clean this up a little bit. All right, Jay. I'm gonna punch these holes, and after this, we're gonna bevel and burnish.
Okay.
And that's where you're gonna help me big time. Oh, you know what? We need to put the hardware and antique it. Go ahead and grab the hardware and antique it.
Okay.
This box just came in from Weaver Leather. So I need you to do something for me, actually. Go through this box and make sure we have everything on this paper. Can you do that?
Okay. Daddy.
What are you doing, Eli?
Take a shot backpack.
All right, we have to skive this down. This is gonna be what's holding the clam. We don't want it to be super thick. All right? Come here, I'm gonna let you pull on this.
That's easy.
All right?
I'm not gonna stand behind you because last time it was broke my nose.
I know.
Yeah, but whoop.
Ooh.
Whoop. Right there.
So my kid left me to go say hi to mommy, and he's been gone for 5 minutes. I'm not paying him. So I'm gonna bevel these two, and then he's gonna do the rest and burnish. So. Yeah.
You see, I thought you meant like this. Like
I know,
this.
I know.
Look, I thought
Listen,
you meant like
there's-
this. Look,
I know.
I
No,
can't
no, no.
move it when it's like
Listen,
that. I thought you meant like that.
I get it. Listen to me. Look. It's tricky. You have to find the right spot. It's hard to explain. You get it? You just gotta practice and practice. You get it? I can't explain to you. You're just gonna have to figure it out. You got it? You know who explained to me?
Yourself.
Nobody.
What?
You know what pieces I messed up trying to figure it out?
Yeah, probably more than me.
Yeah, more than you. You're lucky you have me to teach you. You get it? You get it?
Yeah.
You got it? I mean, you need to sharpen that. You might need to sharpen that, maybe.
Yeah.
You're getting ahead of it. Every time you're moving this way, you're dipping it. There you go. That's good.
I need to sharpen this.
Right here.
Where's the sharpener?
Right here.
Oh.
There you go. Use that piece. I'm gonna burnish these, and you're gonna burnish these little ones. We're not gonna do the beeswax thing, we're gonna do the other one. So all you need to do is just burnish it with the water, the glycerin soap, and this, okay?
Yeah.
You don't want to deform the leather, you just wanna get it nice and smooth. Is this smooth?
Yeah, I feel that.
Bro, you're the best, bro.
Yes.
You're the best burnisher I ever met in my entire life. Did you know that?
I'm
You
not.
could win the burnishing competition. You know I was the best burnisher in 1984? I won the competition. Did you know that?
Where's your medal?
I burned it.
Oh, you burned this shit.
It was made out of leather, and then I burnished the edges, and I was so good at it that it burned the whole metal down.
Oh wow. Wait, but you said it was leather and now it's metal.
Are you hungry for breakfast?
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry.
Can I tell you something? Don't tell anybody. I have to tell you a secret.
Yeah.
Your father's the mailman.
The mailman?
Yep.
But the
I'm not your father.
why would my father be a mailman?
Because one day I was at work at the firehouse protecting lives and saving property. Saving lives and protecting property.
Yeah.
You know, servicing the community because I'm an awesome guy.
Yeah.
And the mailman came,
Really awesome, right?
and you know the rest. Mommy was home. It's messed up.
Mistakes.
But I took you as my own.
Mistakes, Daddy.
That's why you're really good at deliveries. It's in your blood.
I get it.
Take this, dip it a little bit, and then let the corners, like that, so it drips off the excess. Very gently, just put it on the things, like that. Gentle. If it gets on your finger, it's not a big deal. Even if it gets on the leather, it's not a big deal.
But it is supposed to
And you
go
can turn this because there's more on the other side. You see it's starting to dry up? Mm-hmm. The reason why I use this is because it doesn't go on the leather. All right, dip it into the other three. Now we have to, I'm gonna show you, I haven't showed you this yet.
Okay.
We're gonna take my special sauce. My special sauce. And we're gonna put it on your finger, right? And you're gonna, look, hold on, let me show you first. Let me do it first. You're gonna smear it in everywhere, a lot. You don't have to be shy. This stuff's not gonna hurt you. It's all natural stuff. Smear it everywhere in the back here, like this, right?
Okay.
Get everything, just like that, all right?
Yeah.
You take this burnisher. This is a glass burnisher. This is good for flat pieces. And you literally, you don't have to go down hard. Just really fast. And I'm gonna show you the difference. What this is gonna do is paste the back and condition it, and it makes it feel really, really good and protects it over time. Okay, look. And you wipe off the rest. I want you to feel that difference between this one and that one. You feel the back?
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Yeah, look at that one. It's a little dry, right? We're
Moisturizing it.
Yeah, we're moisturizing it and protecting it. Can you do that?
Yeah. Easy.
Okay.
That isn't no.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Just put it everywhere. All right.
May I
Thank
pass
you,
the
Mama.
lemonade?
You're welcome.
Thank
Here
you.
you go, boys.
Thank you. Bon appetit.
Delicious. Thank you, Mama, for cooking.
You're welcome. Too. Thanks.
Oh,
Mama.
thank you, Eli.
You never stopped at me. You cut up everything.
I'm excited.
Oh, jeez.
So I'm gonna see if you remember how to do this.
I know how to do it.
Then I'll let you do it. Grab the mallet. I'll let you do these, okay?
This is easy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hold it straight. Make sure you hit that thing straight. Nice and hard. That. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go it down. Okay. Is it there? Now once you have it on, give one more good tap, but make sure you're straight this time. Straight up and down. Tap. No.
Wow.
Hold it like this.
Okay.
You have to get your fingers strong. Straight up and down. Yep, that's good. Now let's see if you can cut it. Yes. All right, number 2, 3, 2. Remember?
I'm done.
2. Let me help you. Let me get it around there. 3. Okay, 2. Nice. Let me just a little bit harder because I know it's. That's good.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. All right, come up here. All right, we got one more rivet and then we're done. Jeremiah's holding the camera. Here we go, Jay. That's not part of the video, but here we go. Whoa, I almost dropped it on my toes. You got it? You filming this?
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna
last
go
one?
to the other side.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, I'm gonna. I don't want to make shoot there. Sorry.
That's okay.
I don't want to make this daisy for them.
You don't want to make it dizzy?
Yeah. Because I'm moving.
You're very thoughtful. This is it, bro. Oh,
All right.
I already did this. What am I doing? There we go.
All right.
There it is.
All right. Let's see this. Look at this.
You gotta go back a little bit.
Oh no.
We still have to attach this. I'll let you do that. I'll let you attach this here, okay? So we're gonna turn it off.
Okay.
In the middle hole.
Right here.
Yep. Weave it through there.
I'm gonna go through here.
Weave it through here. And do the same on the other side. I'll clean this up for you while you do that.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, no problem, buddy.
Hey, no problem, buddy.
And we gotta show them what we did. You gotta clean up when you're done, okay?
Oh yeah.
Is that 5?
1, 2, 3,
Yep.
4, 5.
Right there, now show them the back. Turn it around. Yeah. Now we gotta get some close-ups of just the buckles,
Well,
like this. Probably easier for me to go behind the camera.
why is it always a mess?
All right, we gotta say goodbye.
Oh.
Thanks, y'all. That's your goodbye sign?
Yeah. Peace.
You got 3 pieces?
Oh. Okay.
All right, you gotta do a funny face as you walk up to the camera and say goodbye.
Okay.